Hey learners, welcome back to Abby Talks English. I'm Abby. I'm here to guide you step by step on your fluency journey. Today we are going to fix the biggest problem every English learner faces. The biggest problem is thinking in your native language and then translating into English. You must learn to think in English if you want to speak naturally, if you want to speak fast and confidently. So let's start. Translating every sentence makes your brain slow down. It creates hesitation. It breaks your confidence. Remember, your goal is not to speak English faster. Your goal is to think in English faster. From today, we train your mind to think directly in English. Step 1. Name what you see around you. Right now, look around you and point at things and name them in English. And like, I see a cup, I see a glass, I see a book. Don't translate, just try to think in English. Don't translate, मेरे पास एक किताब है. Don't translate. Just think in English about the kitab. But you think in English. Kitab name, how to call book. You think about book and make a sentence. Just like I see a cup, just like I see a glass, I see the fan, I see the light. This exercise train your brain. This way you will able to think in English automatically. Next step is talk to yourself. Do you know that the best English partner who is? It's you. You talk to yourself in English because you started to think in English already. This way you will not feel alone. You will feel like you are talking to yourself in English inside. You try this my experience and share with me how to practice talk to yourself. When you do any activities like in the morning you are brushing teeth, so you think in mind and make a sentence. I'm brushing my teeth. Choosing a dress, outfits. Then you make a sentence. I'm choosing dress. If you are getting ready to go somewhere, you can make sentence in your mind and say yourself inside. If you feel toi doi in Vietnamese. Say instead of saying toi doi, you say I'm hungry. While getting ready, you can think in your mind I'm getting ready, I'm brushing my teeth, I'm choosing my clothes, I'm getting ready for school. While walking, you can say if you cross the road, you can say I'm crossing the road. When you going to the shop, you can say I'm going to the shop. Think like that. The more you talk to yourself, your mind will boost and start to think more and more about in English. This way your mind becomes comfortable in English. If you try continuously like this, next step is replace your native words immediately. Sometimes your native language words will pop up. Don't panic, just try to replace immediately with your English. Example like kitab. If you see kitab, you replace kitab with English. How? Kitab to book. You don't have to think about kitab, you have to think about book. If you think in Vietnamese, kai bút, so instead of thinking keyboard, you think about the pen. This way you can make a simple sentence in your mind. This way you can build yourself to think in English automatically, and you can make this in your daily habits to think always in English. Next step is real life. So this way you can practice in your daily routines in your real life. like I'm waking up, I'm getting ready, I'm going to the school, I'm going to the office, I'm checking my phone, I'm checking my emails, I'm sitting on the bed, I'm opening the window. Like this, if you go outside, you see anything, like I'm walking on the street, I'm looking around the people, I hear the cars, I see trees, I see the shops, I'm looking for a shop, I'm looking for shopping mall. Like that, you can practice. When every time you need to describe, you think in English. You force your brain to think in English. When you choose any actions, you think in English. Every moment you can try to think in English. Your all actions should be forcible to think in English. Keep practicing like this. You can be faster than others. How to think fast? I'll give you a sentence. You try to think faster in English. मैं इंग्लिश सीख रहा हूँ. You have to think immediately in English. Don't translate in your native language. I'm giving a sentence in your native language, but you try to think in English immediately. Tôi đang học tiếng Anh. In Vietnamese, tôi đang học tiếng Anh. You have to think in English immediately. Don't translate slowly. You have to think in English. Remember that fluency is not about perfection. Fluency is about comfort. So don't tell yourself your English is bad. You try to say yourself in English even you think in English, and you say yourself my English is improving day by day. If you think in English more, your attitude, your personality will be developed in English. If you keep thinking in English, you will be able to speak in English. You will think in English naturally, and your fluency will develop automatically. Naturally, you will feel like that this is natural in your brain, in your body. For the next 24 hours, you think in your daily actions in English and share with me your experience in comment section. And don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to write in comment section, I'm thinking in English. I would like to reply you when you write, and don't forget to like, share, comments. If this video is helpful for you, this is Abby Talks English, helping you without fear, without any hesitation. So keep practicing, keep thinking, and stop translating. So see you in the next video. Thank you.